Hello royalty, Queen Cindy is coming in with a Pixie card. This is a card that I have done previously on a mannequin head as a wig. Here I pinned the hairpiece that I used. These are the nitty-gritties that we will need in order to achieve the hairstyle we are doing today. Wool, straightener, scissors, combs, some hair clips, as shown on the video. Now let's get down to it. I have plaited her natural hair from the nape at the back all the way to the crown area in circles all around the head until I finished at the crown at the top. Now showing you the hair that I'll be using. I picked the longest piece from the hairpiece box to start at the front with. Observe as I use the needle and the wool to sew in the hairpiece, attach it on her natural plaits.
Beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber.
Here observe as I show you with my finger how I will plait the hairpiece on her natural plaits. We plait it all the way to the crown where my thumb is at. Now I'm about to start plaiting the second row. The second row of hairpiece will be 2 centimeters above or overlapping the first row, going all the way to the crown. Observe as I show you with my finger how the second row is to be plaited on. The following rows will then go 2 centimeters above each row, and so forth and so forth. Now observe the direction that the hairpiece is taking as each row overlaps each. This is the process you'll be doing all the way around the head until you get to the first row you plaited. See here, I am plaiting my last row of hairpiece as I am almost finished plaiting on the head.
She's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. The party's begun in the land of gold and diamond dreams. Cindy reigns, she's the queen supreme. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams. Cindy's reigns, she's the queen supreme. Cindy's you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cindy's you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With and tells. She's the wind in the sails, fashion and style, she's got it all.
Now that I'm done attaching all the hairpiece on her plates, I will move on to chopping and trimming the hairpiece to desired shape and length.
You shine so bright, beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With every step you shine so bright. With every step you shine so bright.
Now observe the shape and the trimmings that we have decided to do according to the client's desired length and shape. Now we move on with our straightener. We move on to styling the hair. Also remember to lay down flat the side bands using the hot straightener.
You're the light of the night, of the night, of the night. With every step you shine so bright, so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. Oh, South Africa groove, you got the move. Oh,
observe as I lay down the side bands to be flat.
She's a magazine, our nation's own timeless queen, our nation's own time. This way, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. This way, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move.
Easy way, Kunene, the beauty queen of South Africa, has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
That was just about it. This is the pixie cut that we